guys, it's Ellen Brock, novel editor. I am here with a bonus video today. I have the Scribbler July box. Scribbler is a writing advice subscription box. It has advice and some goodies, and I think it comes with a novel every month. I got this for free. I did not get paid to make this video. I just want everybody to know that, but they did send it to me for free, and I asked you guys on Twitter if you would be interested in an unboxing video, and 92% of you said yes. I know some of you might only like writing advice videos, but I thought that it might be interesting to get sort of like the editor's perspective on the quality of the product, what's included, whether or not it's really worth your time, and whether the writing advice is good advice. I do occasionally get opportunities to review products, so if this is something that you guys like and you would like to have a series, or you'd like to occasionally see my opinions on software or physical products or writing advice books, just let me know, because I'd be happy to review them for you. And if you don't like this video or this type of video, no hard feelings, I completely understand. I just thought maybe it would be fun and you guys would have a good time seeing what's in this box, so I'm excited to open it. I think this box is pretty cool. It has like text all over it. It says for writers, from writers. It's like black and orange inside, which is pretty cool. It looks like Halloween. I love Halloween, so I'm excited about that. It smells really good. I can tell that there's coffee in here. It smells really, really good. So right on top there's a little postcard. I really like the front of it. The design is really cute. And then it says, Scribbler writing exercise, set the stage. Pretend you are opening a novel using only setting. In 2 to 3 sentences, capture what your character sees, smells, hears, feels, or tastes. This might work best in third person. It leaves you just a little space for writing out your exercise. I'm assuming probably every month comes with a little writing exercise. So next we have a bag of coffee, which is pretty cool, although I have to say that I love tea more than coffee, but I do like coffee. I really like that it says like writer's fuel. I think that's really cute. Everybody knows writers actually run on caffeine. There's like the image or like the trope of like writers that are like drinking wine, but I don't know any writers who drink wine while they write, but maybe you guys do. I don't know. Alright, so next we have writer magic inside. That's really enticing. It's a little sealed envelope. I do not know what is in here, so let's open it up. Okay, so you're invited to an exclusive chat with literary agent Susan Ginsburg, August 6, 2018, that's really soon, at 7 p.m. Save the date. So I guess this box comes with admittance to this chat. It looks like, yeah, on the day of the chat, you just go to the website that's listed here, and then on the back, it describes her, Susan, as an agent and her experience. I believe every month comes with some kind of chat, so I'm really curious what this will be like and how long it is and all that kind of stuff and what the format is, so I'll definitely check that out and let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so the next thing is a coaster. I really like this. It says bestseller in progress. I love it. This works even for me. I'm an editor, but my clients' bestsellers are in progress while we work, so I think this is really cute. So next we have go away, I'm writing sticker. I guess you can stick it on your door, or you can stick it on the back of your computer. Alright, so next we have this little notepad. It says writing goals, today's attack plan, primary focus, and you can check brainstorm, outline, research, write, edit, or marketing. Really needs to happen and most likely will not happen today. I know how that goes. Alright, so now I think we're getting into like the meat of the box, like the actual writing advice, which is in this little book. It looks like the theme of this box is setting. I think each box has a theme. This is the 5th volume, July 2018. And then there's publishing process inside look. This month for our PPIL, publishing process inside look, so I guess this is a recurring element of the box. We are bringing you a glimpse at how April Henry, New York Times bestselling author of both adult and young adult thrillers, sold her 2019 book, The Lonely Dead. Alright, so inside you'll see what April sent her editor to take to an acquisitions meeting at Henry Holt. Oh, okay. So it looks like that's all that's in here is the synopsis, as well as the first chapter of the novel with some notes in the margins about like different edits that were done and why they were done. So that might be interesting if you want to get like an inside look on why different edits might be made, and I'm really curious to look through this and let you guys know what I think. Okay, so then there's Best Wishes, Susan Crandall, who is the author of the book that's included in this. So yeah, it's a little sticky plate. I'm guessing it was easier for her to sign this than the physical book, so you can just stick this in the book yourself, so I think that's pretty cool. Okay, so the last thing is the book itself, which is The Myth of Perpetual Summer by Susan Crandall. I'm not really familiar with this author, to be honest, so it will be interesting to see what the book is like. I probably won't have time to read the book and let you know how the book is, but I will let you know about the writing advice in the second part of this video to see, if it's good advice and if I think it will help you guys. Okay, so it's been about a week and a half and I am back with Toby. He doesn't want to be here. Alright guys, so it's been about a week and a half. I am back. I have thoroughly enjoyed all of the elements of the box. And I will start with going over the easy stuff. The coffee was very good. I enjoyed it a lot. I really liked the coaster. I already stained it quite a bit, but I really like it and it's going to stay even though it's totally stained. And I put the sticker on the back of my laptop, and the writing notebook, the little to-do list thing, I gave to a friend of mine who is a writer and she really liked it. So I went to the chat with Agent Susan Ginsburg, and that was really interesting. I'm going to roll a clip so you can see what it was like.
The editors love books, and they love the experience of reading, and they love talent. But the other people who have to approve a deal these days are, among others, sales and marketing.
I think in the future it would be a great idea to have video chat and not just audio chat if that's something that would be possible. I think it would be a lot more engaging. I also feel like it would be good to have a longer chat. It was half an hour, which felt really short, especially with introductions and some questions that were asked by the host of the chat. But, it was really nice and generous of her to give that time, and she was really positive and upbeat, and I really liked that about the chat. It didn't scare people away from the querying process. It didn't make it seem too intimidating. She was very down to earth and very positive and inspirational. So I also had a look at the publishing process inside booklet. I think that this changes a lot from box to box, so I'm not really sure what the typical publishing process inside look is like. This one was the synopsis and first chapter with some notes in the margins. I did find it really interesting to look at, but I do have a small quibble with this, which is that the synopsis that's included doesn't really follow proper structure for a synopsis. It does not give away the ending, which is very unusual for a synopsis. I think this is probably because they didn't want to spoil the ending for somebody who might want to still read the novel but who got the subscription box. And I think that's totally reasonable, but I think it would have been nice if they had indicated that somewhere in the pamphlets, just in case a writer were to base their synopsis off of this. It would have been nice to indicate that this doesn't necessarily follow the standard or the expected synopsis formatting. But still, I don't think that this is necessarily intended as advice, but more just a way to inspire you and to think about the future of your own novel and how you might be going through the publishing process someday on your own. So I think it's a good source of inspiration, and I do think that's a lot of what this box wants to achieve, is to inspire you to keep working on your novel. So I did really enjoy the writing advice. I didn't realize when I filmed the first part of this section that the little booklet is written by the author whose book is included in the box, so I thought that was a nice touch, and I don't know, I overlooked that initially, so I just wanted to make sure you guys knew that. And I did think there was some really interesting writing advice in this about setting. What I really liked was there was advice that you should come up with a reason that your character is well suited to their environment, and then a reason that they're incapable in their environment, and I thought that was a really unique bit of writing advice. I also really liked the advice to use some element of your character's perspective of the setting as an element of the setting. I thought that was really interesting. All in all, I really thought this box was a lot of fun. I think if you're the type of person that really wants a big chunk of writing advice and wants to sit down and dig into the details, there may not be enough writing advice for you in this box, but I think where this box's strength lies is in motivation. It's very inspiring and positive. The chat with Susan Ginsburg was really positive. The writing advice is really positive. There's just a nice vibe to everything. And I think the writing exercises and the goodies, they really get you thinking about your book and excited about it. And I really think that that could be very helpful for some people. If you're the type of person that needs a reminder to think about your book and to work on your book, or if you're the type of person that maybe has a tendency to feel uninspired or to get writer's block, I think that this would be a great way to keep you working on your book and get you invested and excited in the future for your book and the potential publication down the road. So all of that I thought was great. So I had a lot of fun with this box. If you've gotten this box before, let me know in the comments because I'm really curious what your experience was with the box and whether you liked it. If there's any other products you'd like me to look at, boxes, software, etc., let me know and I will try to get on that as quickly as possible. I don't know if review type videos are interesting to you guys, but I'd be happy to do it again. And I will be back tomorrow with my regularly scheduled writing advice video, so make sure to check that out, and I will see you guys soon. Happy writing, guys. And the coffee, and to think about your book, and it comes with this little book of writing. Ooh. So it comes with the, okay.